Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video we will see how to recover deleted notes on iPhone. Lot of iPhone users doesn't know that how to recover notes on iPhone after deleting them. So here's some solutions I will share that will work 100%. So please watch this full video to learn how it works. First of all, here I am going to notes and I will create a note. Guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it so you don't miss out any video from my channel. So here I have created a note and now I will delete it. After deleting this note, you will find this note in recently deleted option. Now here tap on recently deleted option. You will find here your deleted note. In case if you deleted this note on your recently deleted folder, then still you can recover it. Now we'll again see how to recover deleted notes. First of all, make sure that you have to enable some settings on your iPhone. In the settings, tap on iCloud, then here you will find notes option. Make sure in this settings, turn toggle on next to notes option. Always turn on these settings on your iPhone so you can easily recover deleted notes. Now open Safari browser on your device and here search for iCloud.com. Now tap on the iCloud at the top of the screen, which is official iCloud. After tap on that iCloud, log into your Apple ID and enter your password. So next you will get this screen. Now here tap on Notes. So it will open your notes. Now here tap on recently deleted option. So here you will find the note that you deleted. So now you can recover this note from here. So that's how easily you can recover the deleted notes on your iPhone. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. I hope this video is very helpful for you all, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video.